Welcome, y'all. Big day today. Project Wagon has lost its heart. Just pulled that sumbitch out. There she sits. What's left of her anyway. F22A6. Automatic. Dirty as could be. Pulled the head off, make it easier. Y'all probably can't see it, but 1 and 4 look like they're burned kind of shitty. So, yeah. You see that oil cooler there? Might incorporate. I gotta fix this tube, so I kind of screwed it up. But yeah. Oh, you can take a better look at this oil pan, how screwed up it is. I don't know how well you can see it. A little better, not really. But oil pan's trashed. Then we got the good automatic transmission, which was nothing wrong with it. Other than it might have a sensor gone bad. Got the cooler and all still attached. That's going in Project Nightmare. It needs it. That was the main reason why I pulled this engine. Between that and it needs to be rebuilt. It's a bit ragged. It has like 215,000 on it or something like that. And it smokes like a sumbitch. So I went and pulled it. I'm gonna put my fresh engine in it. Notice the oil filter is all jerry-rigged anyway. But yeah, now that that's out, I can start. Damn, I did screw that filter up. I can start pulling shit apart some more and start tucking some shit. I kind of fucked that up pretty good. Oops. Kind of bent that when I pulled it. Oh well. I don't even care. I'm just glad the motherfucker's out. Had a casualty. Shift cable. Forgot all about the sumbitch. Had everything else unhooked. Forgot to unhook it and ended up breaking it. I had to cut the cable. But, you know, this car's going 5-speed anyway, so I really didn't need it. So, it's a good thing. Oh well. Shit happens. Right back here, we got the head. What a shame, because it was a fresh gasket kit too. Brand new head gasket. And you see a little better damage of when the fuel injectors leaked. How bad it hurt the head. I mean, it's not really too bad. I don't even care anymore. But yeah. Got driver's side axle, passenger axle still in it. Optional junk. Got that nice wheel on it. That's it, we did to the interior. Oh, got the visor on it. Yep, you guessed it. Still ain't done shit to the inside. Yep. Still debating if I'm gonna keep this. I'm really tired of looking at it, to tell you the truth. I'm tired of moving the sumbitch out of the way, and the stupid fucking piss-ass design line here keeps sliding out and putting freaking power steering fluid everywhere. Pissed me off. You know, that's pretty bad. Gotta get another timing cover. Like I said, I'm gonna drop the other fresh engine, and it's just an A1 block, but all the A6 stuff's going on it. And then I'll take this engine, rebuild it, maybe do a little goodies to it, and whatnot. I don't know. The other engine is basically just a stock rebuilt engine with less than 20,000 on it. Convert it from A1 to A6, drop it down in there with the 5-speed, convert it. Yeah. That should get me a buy for a little while longer. In the meantime, I can clean this bay up, tuck all the wires. I gotta pull a dash out anyway, and so I can put the shifter in and the pedals, the 5-speed stuff. So, yeah. This car is going to take forever to get shit done. Yeah. Joy. Stupid camera. Yeah. Well, I figured I'd give you a little update since the heart of the beast is out. We got the old Super Coupe. You guessed it. Still rusty as hell. The old Gallant. The old 72 Chevy. Alright.